So guys, welcome to our channel once again. In today's video, we have here these 10 questions to answer on the topic ecological management. So guys, this will be about biological associations. So in short, to stay to the end of this video. So let's go ahead and start with the first question here. It says, which of the following relationship does not involve two organisms? We have A, parasitism, B, saprophytes, C, symbiosis, D, commensalism. So guys, the answer to this question is option B, and that's saprophytes. So let's go ahead and consider the next question, guys. That's question number 2 here. It says, which of the following association can upset the balance of nature? We have A, symbiosis, B, saprophytism, C, parasitism, and D, epiphytism. So guys, the answer to this question is option C here, and that's parasitism. So that's it for that question. Let's go ahead and consider the next question. That's question number 3 here. It says, parasitism can best be defined as an association between two organisms in which A, both organisms benefit, B, one organism gains and another neither gains nor loses, C, one organism gains and the other loses, D, both organisms suffer some disadvantages. So guys, the answer to this question is option C here. One organism gains and the other loses. So that's the concept of parasitism. So let's go ahead and consider the next question, guys. That's question number 4 here. It says, what type of relationship exists in the large intestine of the sheep between bacteria and the sheep? We have A, predation, B, parasitism, C, commensalism, D, symbiosis. So guys, the answer to this question is actually symbiosis. The bacteria in the intestine of the sheep actually helps the sheep to digest food, while on the other hand, the sheep provides shelter and protection to the bacteria. So that's it for that question. Let's go ahead and consider the next question, guys. So guys, we have here question number 5, and it says, which of the following association is an example of epiphytism? We have mistletoe on citrus fruits, B, egret on cow, C, fen on palm tree, and D, lice in the human hair. So guys, the answer to this question is option C here, and that's fen on palm tree. So that's it for that question. So let's go ahead and consider the next question, guys. That's question number 6 here. It says, which of the following organisms has a symbiotic relationship with green algae? We have A, amoeba, B, paramecium, C, hydra, D, euglena. So guys, the answer to this question is option C here, and that's the hydra. So let's go ahead and consider the next question, guys. Question number 7 here. It says, a mutualism type of relationship is different from parasitic relationship because in mutualism, A, both organisms harm each other, B, both organisms involved benefit, C, only one of the organisms is harmed, D, none of the organisms benefit or harm each other. So guys, in mutualism, both organisms involved actually benefit, and that's option B here. So let's go ahead and consider the next question, guys. That's question number 8 here. It says, which of the following explains symbiosis? We have A, parasites feed on dead organisms, B, organisms serve as hosts to parasites, C, both organisms benefit mutually by living together, D, saprophytes feed on living organisms. So guys, the answer to this question is option C here. Both organisms benefit mutually by living together. So in symbiosis, it's actually a kind of mutual feeding relationship where the both organisms benefit, and that's it for that question. So let's consider the next question, guys. That's question number 9 here. It says, an association between living organisms in which one organism lives on and feeds at the expense of the other organism is known as A, parasitism, B. Mutualism, C. Commensalism, D. Predation. So guys, obviously the answer to this question is option A here. That's parasitism. And that's it for that question. Let's go ahead and consider the next and the last question, guys. Question number 10 here. So we have a diagram here, and the instruction here says the diagram below are illustrations of organisms in a habitat. Study them and answer the question. So here the question says the feeding relationship between the organism labeled III and IV in the diagram is A. Saprophytism, B. Parasitism, C. Mutualism, and D. Predation. So guys, the organism here, IV and III, here they have a feeding relationship of predation. So that's it for that question. So guys, this is where we end this video for today. If you enjoyed this lesson, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you're not a subscriber. Also, if you have any specific question regarding this video, you can drop your question on the comment section below and we'll ensure to give you a response. So finally guys, we want to encourage you to join our YouTube channel community. You can join this community by hitting the join button below and we'll see you right there. Thank you once again for watching this video and see you on the next one.